Hello, welcome to another V's Cards video. My name is Veronica Church and I'm going to show you how to mass produce 25 cards in minutes. Because sometimes pre-Christmas can be hectic. To make the process run quickly, I have already pre-punched the body and the head of the angel, and I've also die cut the wings. I've used scallop circles and then I've cut them in half. Pre-cutting and pre-punching beforehand saves you a lot of time. You can do that the day before, and then that way when you're coming to the construction of the card, you can move much more quickly. I start off showing you exactly what I do to construct one of my cards, and then I begin to set up the process. I've cut a very shallow V in the wings just so it looks more realistic instead of a complete horizontal straight line. I'm using note cards. These are 9 by 12.5 centimetres when folded. I'm also using a very thin, small double-sided tape to tape the head and the body onto the card front. You could use any kind of double-sided tape that isn't quite thick, and I'm using the mini dimensionals from Stampin' Up. Adding the dimensionals onto the pieces beforehand just saves on them fiddling around when it comes to construction of the card. To time save, I've folded the wings and then I've cut a very thin wedge into the wing so that it creates that shallow V in seconds with only 1 or 2 snips. Thanks so much for tuning into V's Cards. I hope that this video becomes very useful for you. Please take a moment to like, and I invite you, if you're not yet a subscriber, to subscribe to my channel. Finally, I invite you to also comment in the comments section. Please share with us how you prepare for Christmas to make sure that those cards and gift tags are handmade and ready to go out on time. Because pre-Christmas can be hectic, and if we get in early, then we won't have that problem, so tips will be great. To make the process speed up, I have already pre-cut lots of small pieces of double-sided tape and placed it on the edge of my table. This way I could just quickly grab one piece and add it to the back of my wing and then peel off and stick the wing onto my card base. So rather than stuffing around with the double-sided tape, I already pre-cut them to size and it worked a treat. The tape I used was tear-and tape from Stampin' Up. Speaking of Stampin' Up, after 9 years I am no longer a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I didn't want to make a video about why I am no longer a demonstrator. I just wanted to keep it quite simple and not make a big deal out of it. So this means my future videos will have a variety of different products that I can showcase, as well as Stampin' Up ones which are current or retired. As for the frequency of my videos, I did take a break. I'm not sure how I'm going to get back into the rhythm of things. At this stage, I'll be doing occasional videos here and there throughout the year. Publishing video tutorials takes a lot of time and effort, not only in production, but also in editing. And I'm not receiving any payment for these videos. My life circumstances have changed. I have a new part-time job which involves teaching art, and I'm doing some further study. But I'll always have card making, and I'm still looking forward to sharing some videos with you. After all, I've been card making for more than 20 years. I wanted to add a Christmas touch to my envelopes as well, so I do stamp and heat emboss the envelope as well with a small little Christmas stamp. I was thinking of doing some primary school teaching art lessons as a video. Let me know in the comments section if that's something you'd be interested in. Stay to the end of this short video because I'll show you a beautiful package that I've put together for a card and envelope gift set. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting and see you in the next video.